Okay, we are going through our little intro here. Just wait. Okay, go ahead and click on settings. Got that. Go ahead and click on the Dave Wisda ID icon right there. Go to edit right there. Now you want to choose a photo. Choose. Click on it. And we got Mr. Simpson. Okay, sort of try to square it up a little bit and choose it. Ooh, okay, it is chosen. Didn't show up on the Dave Wisda. Let's go home and close this out, and then we'll reopen it and see what we see. Yeah, there it is. We got it. All right, let's just close this out, and that's how you change your photo ID on your iPad. Cool.